4-wheel drive. That was pretty deep. That was like up to the doors. That was pretty deep. Nice. 4-wheel drive Astro van. The van that can. That was badass. Oh, here comes some more. This is no big deal though. That was a deep puddle.
Yeah, I know. That's what I told you. I don't know how deep it is. These people come out here with their bigger trucks and they rut it all out.
This is why I bought this thing and had this conversion done. I want to come out here and do this. Why is he avoiding all the water? I thought that's what the Jeep was for. He's going to go around this big one.
Some of them are really bad.
Oh, I don't know. I think he should have gone through that. This looks kooky here. Oh, yeah. 4-wheel drive works.
That's good.
That was crazy.
Mm-hmm.
You can hit that red button anytime you want.